Hi everybody, Chris at Torque King. This is today's product highlight, our QU50657. This is a 273D transfer case, front case half. This fits Dodge Ram 25 and 3500 pickups from 2003 to 2012. This is exactly what you need when that vibration has overtaken your truck for far too long and tears up this whole front case half. We've seen it happen more than a few times, and when it does, it gets ugly. This is the part you need, and we've got the rest of the parts you need as well. Give us a call at Torque King, see us on the web. Thanks for watching. The link's down in the description, and good luck keeping your rig on the road.